habit is you only eat up to 80%, and that's enough.
Iri akan sabihin, jamara kiroy ni ido ya ang kakawa kare 1% may sin ka na marakukan na ki. Ay no na kanya may amraw ay yakidang nun amraw ba nga suma kwataw ko na rin nga kwataw to yon 1% may sin na ko na rin yapon ng nonda ki amraw ki kang ane ti ido ya kan sabihin na.
But in Kiribati, how many percent?
Ay kilibes kang iro 80%, 200%, 100%.
Okay, very good. One bad habit is overeating. Okay. Number 2,
Ani to wana ti to tinara ni kilibes to buat ka. Eng. Ayo takawo yeri takawo. Ay timis
sleeping late.
pakan akong detay ki.
That's a bad habit too, right?
Ani na ba yakidang idori ki.
Sugar. Oh, eating sugar. Okay, yeah, we're still on the sleeping late. We'll come to that. Okay.
Ay sa mga ginari niri ite ginari tisok ay mga rangbay sa ko karin ang dapatam ki. O ti muhi me ti amara kitara me. Sino kira mo ari ron ni ari ti mesu pakan akong detay ki.
Why is sleeping late a bad habit?
Yan ang kayo ko na narangano basta kiti tiaro ay rodi kito aki rodi.
Our bodies need to rest.
Ay rapatara itang kita tumusiraw.
What happens when our bodies rest?
Tira ba yari kang ano yung musiraw rapatara. Tira ko roy rapatara kana yung musiraw.
She says that, thank you, that different parts of the body are doing different functions when the body is at rest. It is cleansing, it is detoxifying, it is healing. All these happens when the body is at rest.
Ay ang kanya musiraw rapatam mong kani. Ano na pain dapatam magi asan yay tabi yan sa pangaya awaking kanin anun amtay mesu gitu amtay musiraw aki. Ya sebagai etain maguri kangan ngkoroy ru ya maguri kita pain terapat aki na din pongan na konti ti meon jamat. neme na inano nan tayo na ko ke nagipak.
When there's no water, there's no life.
Kanake tiran awake timeu.
Okay, we're just starting with some good habits and bad habits just to get this organized. Are we ready to start? Are we ready to start, Tira? Can we put the video on?
Ay rara ba sa sen Marurung ni pa yung nauwa kan yang kan sina Nora anatam na ito why?
Okay, hands up those who are 80 years and above.
Pati ba yaki wani bui tiririgin work. Naku yaki ak.
Those that are 80 years and above.
Ake may buki kan ne. Buwar yaki may buko mi ke. Ake wani bui tiririgin. Ake. Buki na bito kono ko tige meu. Ikaw ringa ka nakana wani bui tiririgi. Tong kono no ke main kono no ikaw me ke. Ero ko tunu manari into wani bui tiririgi.
70 years and above.
Kesi bui tiririgin work. Ayya. Ay tunu man ya.
Good, very good.
Tinimen.
Very good. 1, 2.
Erap,
Give them a
erap.
clap, huh?
Ayya.
70 years and above. 60,
Ono
50,
bui.
50,
Wow. Me bui.
50,
Ayya.
40,
Abui.
30,
Tini bui.
20,
Wabui.
and a lot of people don't want to put their hands up.
Ayan.
Anyway, we are living in an age where life is getting shorter all the time.
Ngay sa kon dite yare ti meong kay meong to ameta ya kita ngapapak ya taben kikiri kaki. May
And I-
sinanari kiri meo.
And I'm talking about the Pacific Islands,
Itegi niyan kay arakoragin tibitibik. Kapel.
especially in Kiribati, where the lifespan is shorter or the shortest amongst all the Pacific Islands.
Kiri pes tuwan na tepe ata ko bang asimet. Tekapenin waririgi may sin tiririgi are meo yakin na chameta.
One of the biggest factor in Kiribati is smoking.
Tuwan na bugin na monte kahang aro na timok.
Kiribati has one of the highest rate of smoking in the Pacific Islands.
Ani kay iti anakang kiri pes nang kura timok ikiri pes. Kaputa ko kime aben tibitibik kita pewo.
And per person, per capita wise, we have a very high rate of diabetes in Kiribati.
Sabo yang kay nang kura may siya amete ka oragin at isok ano kuya ki akisok ke.
Put your hands up if you eat 3 serves of vegetables every day.
Katepe mo kana kuka na ti maragari parents te bani kay tu wani kay ti tenua ti tayo tuwa na tubong. Ye may rumi esen rinanon nan ke esen wagi nanon nan.
No. Put your hands up if you eat at least 2 serves of fruits every day.
Kita wo ti tay kanagin ti fruits tin katwapong.
No. One of the
Sita
reasons
Bengue.
why we have a very high rate of lifestyle disease in the Pacific, we do not eat enough of fruits and vegetables daily.
Awan ito na bugin na ba? Yapon ng kurang ti oragi bugin ne. Pirang kura ti meura ake diki me amara ke kaki aki sakitinan peni kay me wani kay ke amara ke yapon korawak.
What is the reason why we are not eating enough fruits and vegetables daily? Give me one reason.
Tira bugin ang kay saki ka na to wani kay o ti peni kay. Tira tuwa na bugin ang kamatay. Ha?
Too expensive.
Ay tuwa na rin ti nang boba ka. And another one there.
Sorry?
There are no seeds.
No seeds. To what? Not enough seeds to plant. To make gardens. Okay? No seeds to make garden. Okay. What else? No seeds
Ay,
to
yan
make
itaw
garden. Too
yan itaw tiyaro ka.
expensive. No gardens.
Aki ato naro ka.
You don't like to eat fruits and vegetables?
Nakampun kan na di kamkan kan iwan kan me ben kan iman. Kampun kan na ke. Eng. Yeah, they like eating it, but the supply is not enough, or they can't,
Not enough
Yeah.
supply. Okay.
or very expensive, or they're not planting anything.
That's one of the main reasons why we are suffering a lot of, we call them NCDs.
Eh, ngawan ite mungkin ang kaya eri mentor kari ka or ka aki de ke.
And this is the pattern in the Pacific,
Na yung kaya ron taraki na tibik.
where we have a big pandemic of what we call lifestyle diseases.
O yung kaya ron na kibang asumay ti or kari aki de.
Now there's a big swing to more non-communicable disease than communicable disease.
Nga iye bitak. Ya mga rang dawa ti or kari aki de no kon ti or kari de.
So when we talk about lifestyle disease, what is the best medicine for lifestyle disease?
Ayun ka na stegi na ron ti or kari de men na ron nanwan ni meura. Tirangkan it point or again te kakyan.
What is the best medicine for lifestyle disease?
Tira to point or change your lifestyle.
Good. So we call it lifestyle medicine. Right?
Yeah.
Lifestyle disease, the best medicine is lifestyle medicine.
Orang kan katukan ti ore kari ya give very mga pun katukan na ba ti meu ako na mga pun bisya na ba meu men nakon na rin mind okay.
Last time when I was here, I spoke about some principles or some things that we include in lifestyle medicine.
O ye pai ka yesen Marurung na tay ka no kari pai ka na rin kanina ginarun meura bukin katukan ti ore kari ya give very.
Okay, we talk about the acronym New Start.
O ye na ba ti arawagin jero kay subong ari na ba ti new start.
We okay? All ready to go? Okay, we'll come back to New Start after we've been through. Let's just go through this video clip.
Ay
Right?
sa nakon mo ti tamne ye.
Let there be light. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. Everything was perfect until the course of humanity changed. You have come to the kingdom for such a time as this.
Thank you. We've come to a kingdom at such a time as this. We have come through ages and ages, and everything we see there didn't look good, did it? We've been through a lot of temptations. We've been through so many things through the ages since the Garden of Eden.
Ito ba kamasan nur arun wagin te tamni yari ge me moanan karukwa sarong kay naruro si ipai ka sinakantin ngay banabu beri na bendigi nire ge marun te tekangang are iri ge mente te pure ge mente kyong nyap rosi dan kapen ngay rakan chon nap.
In such a time as this, as now in Kiribati, how would you describe it?
Ano irun na ba dito ingkay sanuri ang kay kiribes jirang kay ito ba yari ginab.
Just turn to the person next to you and just think about 2-3 words that describe the time that you're living in now in Kiribati in terms of our health.
Ako na tarani dari gi mo sisilagin tirang kay arun kabarabaran aratay semeni nanun ang kay kiribes. Tira te kan ako kunan te gin na kondoram man. Tete na kondoram ti tara meta ugi kam tara ari dari gi mo ako kunan do. Tira kabarabaran kay tete semeni nanun ang ngay da kain kiribes. Tira te kan sina kunan te gin na. Okay, ngay da kain kiribes inte te yai. Kun kabarabaran te ka to si daw okay. Ay kan ibu gigi kam sain Marurung sain noring kami Marurung. Ay sisilagin na pasinama ka silagin ng kami patira mirige. Okay? Ay swake me raman. Tuwari dari ki mani kam war drami idege. Ikaw hindi na ko pa ng mga nan. Ay, meruro meramakan. Tira ka para-paran kay Tita yayo yon ibugin kiribes ya kamami na nanu nang kay. Tira taekan na. Ta tita ye kakugure kita erang kakamya ku kita erang kora tiora kita erang kora ti tuparandan no kita kamera kita tira roy kabarabarani ron. Sinori ada men ngari-ngari erang kugure bangay ro yan. Ke Marurung. Karena kamu Marurung ya kasuwain ng kami.
Tira. Tira.
Maya, ani, enak ko imi, yarong, pari pun tatanak, tirik. Ha? Bunuh tani nga. Ay, ha, paano kaya? Kura-kura di bunuh tani nga. At ako na kami mo ay bangay irang kura-kura di social media, irang kura-kura di bunuh tani nga. Ay, morari kan turun.
And you have a few people who want to share in the front.
O yung kan deswang kami, sinang-inviting kami kan. Baka na ako may, kaya woman na ako may. Kaya di kain ako may, tita kakaro pa, sinang-inviting kami. Ang kay, ay sinang-inviting kami. Tukuragin na may kay, tukuragin na may kay. Ay, ante katawroid na kami, suang ira, batira, kabarabaraan ti sisirak yari. Ito yan. Sana ko mo, kan titirayo. Ari kaya kan ti sirak yari. Tinangkay tiyakan kiriba si Romin, hindi tayo yayo. Tira ka para-parana. Kangaya rangka ya pera kiriba sin tayo kay. Aya, we'll ask one group from here. Aya, ano yaro ko tito mic na ko im? Okay, vinakwak. Aya. Rapa.
Mauri. Te tarakin Mauri de tayo ke nakaputa kwa kime ara ikaw tayo kana ke temenna au mother in law o emetene ye te bupo o wana dirik o tunai ne yo si kana ne erang kakan na te pen te ika te papai o kana na ko ina manang anak te tapatuan me te tapatuan
Sita nga mo, nakapara-para mo na kuntuan. Okay, she start answering the question. And she was referring to a mother-in-law who had died, but she died when she was 102
years.
120?
2.
102 years, 102 years. But she likes eating fish, coconut,
And the papai.
The wild taro that we have here. Not the taro in Fiji, but the wild one in.
And when
Only
she wants to go to another village, she walks. Okay, and nowadays, we are too lazy. We want we are using the modern times, for example, the transport, okay? When we walk from here to maybe to Apera, we can't do that, okay? And so, anyang kanya yari ki patira ay kamemerakin no karawatakin dira jorak ayri kang in short, we have swayed away from our own food and our own lifestyle. Okay.
Thank you. It's clear. I think you understand what she has said.
Thank you for that. Thank you for sharing that.
Harapan?
One more.
Ye may roaming kami kind of group eh? Aya. Aya. Aya.
Aya ka na ba rin niya ulit ikawa? Aya ka nga ngayon na nakapara-pararon din niya ko at niya ang kay kaya ka nga ngayon ko ay kita na kilipyasi. Kita tara ay to pina te diki na ko ang kayo ki. Ayaki kayo yan oria yang da. Ya mais te ameta. Oi kanga pilin te manis te boyarang erang ka kaide ka yamane ameta te ye. Puro kon jaus to wana akia te biya ya. Ay te gas na te gas
Tanangan mo
ki.
na si kabara-bara mo aki. Dimi maninga. She left Tarawa, this side to the other side of Kiribati. After 10 years, and she returned and she said, there's a lot of changes happening. Especially people can get money now and they can do all sorts of things. And if you can speak in English, you can say it too. Aya, ano ko yung
Yang kanya ki oi dari kina ang kai kara ki arawata yamane. Ay riri ka yamane men ti tau te ka ngai yang ti ya change the life ki. To wana te pai ya mga undra ka ron nora ki. Ngang ko ki si tu tanang ko tu nora ngai ya mga ranga papa tu nora ko undra ki kaina.
yeah. Now all the people are receiving money from the government, and she has seen that there's a lot of people, sick people in the hospital now. The hospital has been extended, and there's still many people being admitted. Ayah, what's it go?
Taran ne be yara nga ya bi be te makuri ki pare ya ite mani. Ke te biya ya ke ka te ka yarang sirawa.
And
Yarang sirawa.
there's so many cars now. Yeah.
Taku aus ni ka be na be ni ya ay ka ki.
I think every household has a car each.
Yung nga ano ti.
Okay. Ang kan tirangkiam nyong kan ibugin kiribes ang kay yarang kay kiribes.
Yang kiri biasa kai nga ya bani mina ke ya bani pita kin nare nare kiri biasa ni kawai ke are kumma kuri kora kora ke re ke kanam ne namo naro ka dan ke ko mara ke nei bu ke aro ko kanam ne nei re yang kora o ku kinana ke yaro ko mera ke ki ana te tabia ya ka po nga ne te ke aski to yera to kinana na si ya ba ba ni no vasis o ya mani ero ro ko ngani
Aye.
ero ro ko te mani are
The lifestyle has changed a lot. Instead of people using firewood in the outer islands, they use the
Gas.
portable gas stove.
Because their science, their daughters and sons, they go to work overseas and they bring a lot of money to the family.
Ay, ang anduan. Ay, raraba tabay turong okay?
One thing, we live a happy life in the Pacific, huh? We're carefree, and that contributes to longevity also. Living a happy life, a social life, and because long life is not only to do with food, it is something that is holistic in how we live our life.
Mataman tabay yari kay nabitibig ang hindi tayo silang tatang yang kan kukurin kan tita gimara kora gidora. Tapos na ba kanon Mauri arang kakawa kay spend na tayo kay are Mauri punito ura rita kita mata.
Thank you. As I travel around, one of the things I try to do is to promote churches to be healthy churches.
Te tabay tuwan ay kay katen buki kanya karisa narigi kanti karisa pa tan puto ka te suan te Mauri kakawa.
We believe that the more that we talk about health, the more we live the health message, the we have come to what? We have come to a time when what? When what? When what? When what? When what? When every who every member, not only George Kwong, not only Sister, but every member. We have come to a time when every member of the church should take hold of medical missionary work. The world is a laser house filled with victims of both physical and spiritual disease. Everywhere people are perishing for lack of a knowledge of the truth that have been committed to us. Over to you.
Ngayon na tiya kailan si White ke tiya nari yer kong kay titay yari kain tiya kari sa timen na ke metimen na anang di kibatan wota te turungungun missionary ide meswan te Mauri pa jona ba yon rakin tiora kay kawwa orakin tira pata o tiora kin tira joni mek ki te meong tam nei.
She says that heaven is all health.
Ay tiya kita na pare karawa pun kang roy te
Sometimes we tend to push health aside.
ang karawa sumerang te biyangan suan te Mauri angay ra sabo me sekan kaki suan te Mauri sa kaki ana ba ke.
And the medical missionary work, she says, originated from heaven, started in heaven.
Ay tiya kita suan te Mauri kita butagin drongorong yon suan te Mauri ipun waki may karaw.
And the medical missionary work should be a part of the work of what? Every church in our land.
O ana tapira ngaira. Kain ti kari sa ni kabani. Tapira pa sinawota ti tunungurong yon suan te Mauri. Nako tabo ni kabani.
And there is a special work that each church is called upon to do, including this church.
Yay ramaguri akakawaki ari sa senbete kin koy basta nakoroy ngaira na bakain ti kari sa titay.
And what is a health promoting church initiative?
Kangatirangkan ni kaungan ti kari sa penang din wak.
Develop healthy what? Church leaders, healthy church members, healthy villages and communities.
Awan kan ti kari sa nang di kabati sa tatayakin na ti tirongorong yon suan ti Mauri nari kabati kari sa nakarigiragya ti Mauri ti Marurung ti tani kay Lidia na Marurung kain ti kari sa Marurung kain ti kawa a Marurung ke.
And to help the church understand that these problems are not only out there, but also right here in our church.
O ti kanga nga yon suan ti Mauri yu seksi yagisira kisinan may apunti kina nun ari kari sa ni kaben.
And we are to use the health message as the door opener to discipleship, leading people to Christ.
Inari kina ba suan ti Mauri ba tinongorong ari nakaukat ti metarwa nanu yamada pangan di pa anariri Yesu kita tantimin Yesu.
And the local church should integrate all the ministries together to form discipleship where they can spread the gospel, blending health and the gospel together.
Mayroon kung ngaki araputa kin mo kulin kapen nanun tiya kari sa tuwana metuwana. Paano berin posi ya wakin kapen sipa turungurong ko yon suan ti Mauri.
We need to understand the holistic nature of health, so that we can also have a deeper meaning on the scriptural understanding of what the Bible tells us about holistic health, which includes physical, emotional, mental, social, and spiritual.
Sa kung ngaki ngayon kanti kari sa pasinirin nataroy paninin aron ti suan ti Mauri arang kakao ki pa anata yometa. Meron tuwan ti meon tirapata ke tiyango waraburi tinano ke tiyango o ti tiritaki o ti meon donemek.
And we bring the attention that the health message brings revival to the church.
Ay wata na ba ti meu erori na kunti kari sa suan ti Mauri.
But sometimes some people are negative about the health work in our churches.
Anda bete iya ide kanga cek yo teori eta men na korak kanga tari men di tera kanga yak akiro ire na kito yak idang tamero